Halifax Metro, and Halifax County West. 9:52 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. Wednesday, the 7th of December 2011. Wind warning for Halifax Metro and Halifax County West continued. Winds gusting up to 100 km per hour on Thursday. This is a warning that potentially damaging winds are expected in these regions. Monitor weather conditions. Listen for updated statements. A low-pressure system will develop over southeastern United States this evening, then intensify and track northeastward over the Maritimes on Thursday. Winds gusting up to 100 km per hour are expected for the above regions on Thursday, with gusts as high as 110 km per hour from the Margaree Harbor to Bay St. Lawrence area of Cape Breton. Rainfall amounts, up to 40 millimeters, can also be expected from this system. Also be advised that higher than normal water levels and strong winds will produce rough and pounding surf along the Gulf of St. Lawrence coastlines on Thursday.